Hi guys, today I will be talking about the digital marketing. So guys, stick with me. The video will be very interesting. Today topic, what is digital marketing? So guys, in this video I am only cover two steps in the entire digital marketing course. It is a huge course. But course is long, but YouTube is not permitted according to the YouTube policy. They will allow me only time limits of 15 minutes. So course maybe it will took 2 hours or 3 hours. So that's why the step by step we will start the digital marketing. So today there are a there are 14 steps in order to start a digital marketing to must be applied, especially those who are new or beginners in this field. But in this video I will be talking about the only two steps: deep knowledge, and the number one, number two, fast web hosting. So guys, stick with me till the end. Hi guys, I am Farooq. Welcome to my new channel Net World. So let's start our topic. What is digital marketing? Guys, digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brand to connect with potential customers using internet and other forms of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media and web. In digital marketing guys, also use advertising. There is a lot of digital advertising services like Udemy. I have put the link in my description. Later you can click on that. So let's back to our topic. Not only advertising, they also text and multimedia messages and the channels, channel like YouTube and the video marketing. It is called digital marketing. Guys, digital marketing subject is it's very long. It took many days, but in short, just I want to just for beginners, those who don't know about the digital marketing, just for an idea, I have explained in this video. Okay, why in this field? First step, you need a deep knowledge in this field, guys. You must have a deep knowledge before you start the digital marketing agency. So, digital marketing is not a overnight game. First, you need to get educate yourself and there are many institutions provided the digital marketing studies. You need to at least do a 3 years diploma in post graduation. You need to have complete website development skills also, as well as, because skills like you must have a website development skills like Java, HTML, Python, because it's very important to operate a WordPress websites in order to start a digital marketing business. Real business in a digital marketing, you must have at least 3 years diploma in a reputed institutions. I'm not degrading those courses or those people. They are also doing the job, nice job. At least they are aware to the people and the students regarding to digital marketing. But if you want to establish a real business in digital marketing, you must have do the diploma and website development skills. Okay, so in digital marketing agency, you will have a huge stuff to provide a service to clients like email marketing, automation, social media, content marketing, customer service support, search engine optimization, data analytics, reporting, website conversation and optimization, e-commerce marketing, communication between the different departments, and the time management. Each and everything you need to look up. You should have a manager skills in this field, because digital marketing, in order to start a digital marketing business, you will have a high skills. So that's why educate yourself first, then later you can start. So next step is, in this field, the most important, that is fast web hosting. Fast web hosting service, guys. Do you know, in order to start any business, any website, a digital or any company, you must have a website. So in digital marketing agency business, the most important thing is choose a right web hosting. So service providers, because to run a successful digital marketing agency, you will have a business web hosting servers. Business web hosting servers to handle a huge data of your website, because you guys, in the digital marketing, there is a huge stuff and data. To handle that data, you must have a business web hosting. Your rest, and also your website always have 24/7, 65 365 days must be uptime, because of someone search for your website on Google, it's open on seconds on that time. Remember what I'm telling, just focus on what I'm saying you. Someone search for your website on Google, it's open on that time, very in seconds. If your website go down, instantly they will leave your website, and it will make a very bad effect on Google algorithm. And the next time Google algorithm not recommend to your website, and its effect on your business. Web hostings is a main foundation of your business. So guys, you don't have to worry about this. I have a best web hosting providers in the link in this in the description below. I have put the links like Bluehost, number one. Bluehost, I think Bluehost is the top website in the world, guys. And the number two, DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean also reputed web hosting service providers. So in my view, guys, Bluehost and the DigitalOcean, the best hosting service providers to start your marketing agency. So guys, I hope you understand in this video and the idea, and the course will be long. Just I will make the parts of digital marketing part. This is in this video part 1. I have covered 2 steps: fast web hosting and also deep knowledge. And the next video I will be talking about the another 2 steps. The part of the digital marketing course is deep market research. Guys, deep market research. And the 4th one, email marketing automation. It is also part of a digital marketing agency. So in the next video I will cover in the part 2, digital marketing agency. So guys, hope you understand the today's topic of digital marketing, step by step, how to start a digital marketing step by step. Today's 2 chapters. So guys, if you like the video, just like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn the notification for every new update. Till then, see you.